Hola, mis estudiantes. Bienvenidas. Welcome. I am sending you this quick video. This is not a requirement, but students have been asking me for enrichment activities, which is totally awesome. Nothing a teacher loves better. Te agradezco mucho. Les agradezco mucho. I really appreciate you. And so here's your information. If you're looking for other stuff to do, you're like, oh my God, it's going to be so long before Spanish again. I want to keep up my skills. Here's a couple of ideas. Or if you're like, I just can't wait. I'm such a nerd. I just want to learn more. That's totally fine. You can do it. So of course you can go into your segment and review things or go into your vocabulary and work in there. You can also re-look at some of the grammar lessons, and I will continue to post new ones in there. But I've also put in an enrichment tab, which has a few suggestions. And in your enrichment tab, you will find things like some suggestions for silly videos to watch, or if you want to go to think about reading some books. This is one where you can order them on your own, but I encourage you to send a message to me, and I will set you up with some books that you can do for independent learning, and there's some apps that you can also put onto your phones. Now, a great place to go is onto your Vistas book online. And obviously, if you had overdue stuff, you're welcome to do that. But if you're not interested and want to do something else, I just recommend you go to this activities section. And in the activities section, you can go from, we've done the first 3 units in depth, and we just started the 4th unit. You're welcome to click anything in this book. So if you're more advanced, you're like, I want to do something on the city, and you can just jump ahead, that's fine. But I would recommend working through some of the things that we've done before. Say if you go into the Universidad, the university section, and you're like, I like those fotonovelas, I want to do it again. Like I see I did this one on the 24th of September. Let me do it again. You can redo any of the activities. You don't need to assign them. But one thing that you might want to do, these ones at the bottom, flash culture, flash cultura en la pantalla, which is like on the screen, so the little videos again, listenings, writings, and reviews. You can practice whatever skill you want. I think that pantalla on the screen might be the funnest ones to do, because then you can like click on a little video, and they're often like ads. And then once you have done that, there are even ones where you can check them. Now you've been assigned a few of these, but you'll see that you haven't been assigned all of them. So it's one area, that pantalla, that you might want to check it out. And that is it for me. Oh, wait, one more thing. You'll see that there's nothing here, but that's because it's clicked off as assigned only. So you want to see activities you haven't been assigned, you click on all activities, and then you get to see them. That's it. Have a wonderful vacation. Nos vemos en 2021, chicas. Hasta luego.